soaring health insurance deductibles and medical bills are fueling an affordability crisis.
What's Trump's plan? Repeal Obamacare, threatening coverage for millions of Americans. Mike Bloomberg knows the value of quality health care. A successful entrepreneur, Mike built a business with 20,000 employees, each with great health care and paid leave. As mayor of New York, Mike cut the number of uninsured people by nearly half, expanded health care for working families, and improved care for seniors.
It's time to get real and fix health care. People don't have the health care that they need, and this is America. We can certainly afford to make sure that everybody that needs to see a doctor can see a doctor.
As president, Mike will provide universal access to affordable health care, lower costs by capping health care prices, and expand access to women's health services. And Mike will make sure everyone without health care can get it, and everyone who likes theirs can keep it. How do you know Mike Bloomberg will deliver on health care? Because he's done it